Here we go. Michael's got Toby and Bethany and Emily in the bus. And we got Jesse, Levi, Alex, Rebecca, and Adri in here.
We're going.
We got the AC in here. Whoop, whoop. Here we go. On to a new adventure. Where'd the bus go? We're already up there? Yep. Did you just chuck your apple? Hey! Levi!
We're in Texas.
We're in Texas. Good.
Guess I was wrong, and he's always there for you. I keep living alone, way so far from home. Free, but ready to flee from this all. Hard to be standing on your own. Hard to be standing on your left on the floor, looking up, wanting more. This is so unreal. How could I be so blind? How could I not see?
We just stopped for lunch and gave the bus a little bit of a break. Now we're just getting ready to head out again. We got more kids in the van with us now. They all wanted to come.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of it. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. Cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does.
Okay, watch out.
Put your feet on the flat areas.
I'm going to see if I can climb that down. Yes. Well, you're trying to climb down? Oh, Emily! Emily! It's gonna be like climbing What you guys doing?
Hi, I'm walking around with Levi. Where are we going, buddy? Okay, this way.
Levi! Hurry, get Levi! You! Oh. Levi! Levi! It's me. Levi! Levi! Yoo-hoo! Jessie, what are you doing?
So we just stopped for a little while just to, I'll turn the music down. We just stopped for a little while to take a break and let the kids stretch their legs and stuff. And now we're just about to get back on the road. I'm driving, so that's great. Dad's just trying to figure out how to get out of this tight spot, so yeah. I should also mention we don't usually stop this much when we travel, but today's been a weird day, so we're kind of just doing everything differently, so yeah.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if
Is that nice, guys?
Yeah, it's those mountains all the way over there.
Careful.
Hey, get this out, honey.
This would be a great snow spot.
Yeah, this
Great. They got all these picnic sites.
Let's go play tag. Okay. Who's it? Alex, you want to be it?
even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
What did Emmy just show you how to do, Jess?
She taught me how to blow it out. Oh, another one. I want to blow it out. Let's look for more.
He's like, I'm done. Forget blowing it.
Milo Walker. Blub, 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 blub.
We just stopped for another break. This has been a weird trip, but we've had an amazing, amazing view. This is at a rest stop, and it's gorgeous. It's really, really nice. So all the kids are just out running around playing tag. I think we're about to go for supper, and then we'll come back and get back on the road again. So we'll just leave the bus here, get some food, and then we'll come back.
Maybe you want this one instead?
What?
That's not.
Let's just take the...
Levi.
Oh, that's a big bite. Oh. You have food in your mouth. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Choo choo choo. Toby's depressed.
Bro, you're Italian?
What's up, man? Alright, we're done supper. We're heading back to the bus now. Gave it a nice little break, let everything cool off, and now we're gonna finish the last hour of our drive. Hopefully a lot of the kids are sleeping for the last hour. We're all in the van, we're all ready to go. About to drive. Dad and Toby are in the bus. I think they're gonna lead the way, and we're gonna follow behind. Say goodnight, Gracie. Good night,
Good night. She said great. So I can see my cozy on the camera.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if will ever figure out where the road goes.
What are you guys doing?
Warming up.
Warming up. It's a little bit chilly in the bus. The door is wide open as we unload all the bikes, so you're a little cold and tired. We arrived at our RV park. We are parked in our site. Everybody's exhausted, tired of being in the van, cold. So we're just gonna get everyone into bed and get a good night's sleep. Say good night. Yeah, I'm tired. Yeah.
Trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling